Hi, my name is Asad and I'm a research associate with Nested Knowledge. Today, I'll be walking you through how to navigate the Nested Knowledge website, including how to access each of the menus in order to build your own custom nest, which ultimately will help you in conducting great systematic literature reviews. So, if you follow me along, we'll first log in here by going to nested-knowledge.com. Over here, you'll see our new welcome page, and in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see an option here to sign up. Our system is synchronized with Google, so if you log in with your Gmail account, you'll be able to access our software. So let me go ahead and get logged in here. So now once we're logged in on our homepage, you can see brief overviews of how the Nested Knowledge software works, including the 4-step process to designing your own custom nest. So these 4 processes are the search, screening, tagging, and extraction. But don't worry, we'll talk about those in the next few videos. For now, let's go ahead at the upper right-hand corner and click on AutoLit. All right, so once we've clicked on that, in AutoLit, you'll be able to actually view all of the nests that you've created. Or if you're working with others, they can share their nest with you and it'll automatically populate in your AutoLit. Thanks so much, and hope to see you in the next video where we'll talk about the search process.